In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your Microsoft Outlook calendar. Color coding your calendar is a simple way to make your schedule easier to read at a glance. It can help you quickly separate meetings, personal appointments, deadlines, and other important events so your day feels more organized and manageable. To get started, go to your Outlook inbox. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand vertical menu. In that menu, click on the calendar icon to switch from your inbox view into your calendar. When your calendar opens, find an event you want to organize and click on it. This will bring up the event details. From there, click on Edit so you can make changes to that appointment or meeting. Inside the Edit view, look along the top row for the tag icon, which represents categories. This is the tool Outlook uses for color coding. Click on that tag icon to open the list of available category options. You'll now see a selection of color categories. Click on the color category you want to use for that event. Choose a color that makes sense for the type of appointment you're labeling. For example, you may want one color for work meetings, another for personal tasks, and another for time-sensitive deadlines. The main goal is to create a system that's easy for you to recognize quickly. Once you've selected the category, the event will be assigned that color label. After that, close the window. Your changes should now be reflected in the calendar, making that event stand out more clearly. Now repeat the same process for your other events and appointments. As you continue assigning colors, your calendar will become much more visually organized. This makes it easier to spot patterns in your week, avoid scheduling conflicts, and understand where your time is going. A helpful tip is to stay consistent with the colors you choose. If you use the same color for the same type of activity every time, your calendar becomes much faster to scan. Over time, this can really improve your day-to-day planning. And that's it. Once you've gone through your events, you'll have a clean, color-coded Outlook calendar that's easier to navigate and much more efficient to use.